Families shape lives and communities. Within a strong family, children discover love, nurture, and attachment. They experience a safe and secure place to be themselves. It all starts with the family. That's why building strong families exists. Yeah, BSF began in January 2020. At that stage I'd been in Thailand, living in Thailand for 16 years and had been working in the humanitarian sector, focused on family-based care projects. I've come to realise that there are many orphanages and children's homes across Asia that have children who have families and have parents that are not actual orphans, and it led to the question why. And out of that we birthed a family strengthening program to help come alongside these types of families to help strengthen them so they can become sustainable to keep children in a loving family. After using that experience, fast forward to January 2020, and my wife and I felt called by God to step out by faith and start our own ministry, Building Strong Families, or BSF. That was a real time of transition in our own family at that time. My wife had just had a baby and she stopped work, and I stepped out by faith as a volunteer to start this ministry. But we're just so grateful to God at what He has done in the past couple of years through this ministry to be a blessing to families. Building Strong Families supports families in Nepal and Thailand. In Nepal, 25% of the population live below the poverty line. Around 50% earn less than $3.20 a day and are at high risk of falling into extreme poverty. 15,000 children live in orphanages and children's homes, even though 85% have at least one living parent. While in Thailand, 7 million people live below the national poverty line. In 2021, at least 43,000 students had dropped out of the education system, and around 1.9 million students are living in poverty. The United Nations has estimated that 8 million children are living in orphanages and residential care around the world. About 80% of these children have living parents. The UN Guidelines for the Alternative Care of Children 2010 states that financial and material poverty should never be the only justification for the removal of a child from parental care, but should be seen as a signal for the need to provide appropriate support to the family. Poverty is one of the major reasons vulnerable children are separated from their families. Building Strong Families, or BSF, aims to prevent the relinquishment of children to orphanages by loving and often well-meaning parents who are facing poverty or financial hardship. I really believe that strong families build strong communities, and strong communities build a strong nation, but it starts with the family. I believe that the family is God's design. It's a place where children can feel nurtured and secure and safe. A family is also a place where parents can pass on to their children a legacy for the future. It's a place where children can form loving bonds of attachment that are so important in early childhood development. And it's a place where children learn what a family looks like for the future when they want to create a family of their own. So Building Strong Families really believes in the family and believes in giving every child the opportunity to grow up in a strong, loving and secure family. BSF provides many holistic development opportunities to equip and strengthen families. Health and nutrition. We provide training on health, hygiene and nutrition. Families undergo a medical checkup and receive a first aid kit and training. Income generation assistance. We work closely with each family to develop a business plan and sustainable livelihoods. Family Fun Days. We build strong relationships between children and caregivers and create fun memories that last a lifetime. Training Days. We empower families with trainings on topics such as what is a family, money management and budgeting, the role of parents and positive discipline, safeguarding children and adults. Education. We provide children with educational assistance for school supplies. Adults may also receive vocational training as needed. Safeguarding. We assist families with training on child rights, child protection and domestic violence. Home visitations. Our project coordinators visit each family at their home weekly to follow up, mentor, support and encourage. BSF's goal is that within 18 months, each family will become financially sustainable so they can fully support their own children and household members, eventually able to assist others in the community as well. BSF is focused on prevention, so we're really focused on identifying at-risk families in the community and coming alongside them and helping to empower and strengthen them so they can keep children in a family. We're also very holistic in nature. We provide physical, emotional, mental, social and spiritual support to meet the needs of each family. Income generation assistance is provided to families to bring them out of poverty so they can become financially sustainable, and that is tailored to the specific needs and skills of each family. As of 2021, BSF supports 56 families across 7 communities in Nepal and Thailand. We hope to have reached at least 150 families by 2024. For more information, please visit our website at building-strong-families.org.